I think you guys are going to be so impressed if you have a chance to feel it. Hey guys, I'm Roxana Risa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with Ipsy. So today we are breaking down Fenty Beauty's latest launches. We're gonna be talking about what's in the launch, what's most exciting about the launch, and are there any products that are holy grail material? We'll see, and make sure to stick around for a giveaway. So first off, we have to talk about this eyeshadow palette. This is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, and there are 16 beautiful shades in here. They are really pretty and they have a really nice range of matte to shimmer finishes, and they are so buttery and smooth. I always say that you can really tell a great palette from the mattes just because it is difficult to swatch mattes, and when your mattes and your shimmers are both bomb, that's like a whole nother story, and I feel like it just makes it above the rest, you know? That's why I'm so excited to show you guys this eyeshadow palette, because the formula I think is amazing, and I think you guys are going to be so impressed if you have a chance to feel it, touch it, play with it, create some looks. And there are so many looks that you can create with this because there is such a nice range of shades, and the shades themselves are very weightless, they're buildable, they stay put without creasing, and they were actually designed to fit for all skin tones. So I love that about this palette, and overall it's just beautiful. Like the swatches speak for themselves, you know what I mean? Next up, we have the eyeliner. So this is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner Long Wear Liquid Liner. This one is really, really saturated, hyper saturated as they say, and it actually is water resistant, so I think it's a great option for the summertime. This has a flexible tip on it, so you can get really nice precision strokes. And one thing that I like to do with my eyeliner in general when I'm creating like nice sharp wings is kind of use the brush to flick out the edge so that you get that really thin point at the end. So this one is so easy to do that with because of that precision tip, and it's easy to hold because they actually designed the packaging to have an easy grip triangle shape to it, so that if you're a makeup artist or even doing makeup on yourself, it's gonna be super easy and convenient to hold and able to create those nice sharp wings. And like I said, it does have that nice point on it. The primer, there's a really nice new primer that goes along with the eyeshadow palette. Well, I mean, you can use it with the eyeshadow palette, and it just creates a really long lasting eyeshadow look. And primers are great because they make colors even stand out more. So when you're already using shadows that have this type of pigment and you're using a primer underneath, it's just gonna give you the most color payoff possible. This one is weightless, it is color boosting, and it is a really great long wearing eyeshadow primer. You can see here when you blend it in, it's pretty colorless, I would say, and it kind of just blends into your natural skin tone. When you apply it to your eyelids, it is pretty transparent, I would say, and it just kind of smooths the lids for better blending and crease-proof wear throughout the day. Then they also released some new brushes with this collection, which I was really excited about because if you watch my YouTube channel, you know that I am a brush lover. I think that brushes are definitely like just our tools, you know, our tools for our art. So first off, we have the 210 blending brush. So this is the Fenty Beauty tapered blending brush 210. And this one is great because it does have this nice tapered shape to it, and it's perfect for blending eyeshadows into the crease and getting that really nice contoured area. And one little tip that I like to do is really keep in mind how you're holding your brush depending on what kind of eyeshadow look you're going for. So if you hold the brush or a blending brush like this upwards, then you're gonna get a more dispersed look, a little bit more of a faded out look, and a really nice blend. But if you turn the brush upside down and hold it in a downwards direction, then it deposits more color, more pigment. So you end up getting a little bit more of a cut crease look, but obviously it's a little bit more of a blended out cut crease, but that's how you're gonna get the most pigment. So that's my little tip on using blending brushes like this. Then we have the Fenty Beauty All Over Eyeshadow 200 brush. This one has a really unique tapered fan shape to it, and it's designed to perfectly pick up, lay down, and pack out those eyeshadows. And I really like to use this one just tapping it into the eyes, and it creates a lot of pigment payoff. So if you just tap it into the shadow and then really, let me show you on the back of my hand, and then really tap the pigment into place and kind of use the brush to blend out, you get so much pigment. And I think that's what's so nice about this brush, is that you're really getting the most pigment possible, but you can also use it to kind of blend out the outer corner areas as well. So honestly, this collection is amazing. I think there are so many great products. My personal favorite, I have to say, is probably the eyeshadow palette, just because I feel like there are so many different looks that you can create with this. So many different people are gonna love this palette because it is so versatile. So I have to say that this is definitely my favorite. So what about you guys? Let us know in the comment section below. What is your favorite from the collection? What are you most excited about? And you will be entered to win some of these goodies. So the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, the Pro Filter eye primer, and also the Flyliner eyeliner. So get excited. Good luck, everybody. And that is all we have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Roxette Arisa, and we'll see you next time on This Week in Beauty with Ipsy.